Let's crush an instant nerdle. Instant nerdle is the game where you got a scrambled up math equation that you got to unscramble. Today we only have division, and I think because the 8 is here, it's going to have to equal a double-digit number, which means it's a triple-digit number divided by a single-digit number equals a double-digit number. So typically I like to deal with the digits in the ones place, and with division I like to kind of work backwards because it's easier for me to do multiplication in my head than it is division. So I'm going to think about this number first. So if we put let's just try 6 first, and then what can I put here? So if I put a 7 here, I'm just going to go in order. If I try to put a 7 here, then 6 times 7 would end in a 2. So this number would have to be a 2 to divide evenly by 7 and equals 6. So that's not going to work. So 7 doesn't work. 5 can't go there because it's a purple digit and can't go in the same spot. 4 would end in a 4, so that doesn't work. 9 times 6 ends in a 4, so this actually might work. So now it's just a matter of putting these digits in here. But 80 times 9 is 7. Oh, 740. That's 744, isn't it? 80 times 9 is 720. No, 9 times 6. Yeah, 9 times 6 is 54. So this would be 774, but it doesn't work, but it's very close. Okay, so 9 didn't work. I tried every number with the 9. So 6, still trying 6 there. Oh, did I try every number with a 6? Is that what I did? I think I did, yeah. Okay, so I think 6 is done. I hope that's the case. Uh-oh. I don't know if I'm being organized enough about this, but 87, so if we put a 6 here, this would end in a 3. We don't have a 3. Can't put a 5 there. If I put a 4 there, it ends in an 8. We don't have an 8. 9, it ends in a 3. 7 doesn't work. All right, so if I put a 5 here, I think we're going to need another 5 or a 0, and we don't have a 5 or a 0. Like this number, to be divisible by 85, this would have to end in a 5 or a 0, so that doesn't work. 5 just doesn't work straight up. If I put a 4 here, and try to put let's go in order actually. I was going to try to put a 9 here because I think 9 is going to work, but 6, if I put 6 here, it ends in a 4, doesn't work. If I put 7 here, it ends in an 8, doesn't work. 5 doesn't work. So 9 is the only number that works. Hopefully this works right now. I think this is the only thing I have left to do. So 4 times 9 is 36, so this would end in a 6. This is going to be it, isn't it? Okay, that's 756, yep. 756 divided by 9 is 84. And there's an instant error for you, dude. There it is. Thanks for watching. Catch you later.